This dinosaur toy right here is quite possibly the coolest dinosaur toy to ever exist, and I think my son would agree. This is the one toy he keeps out when I tell him to clean up his room. We can see here that it has the batteries here, and I like that it doesn't come with its own batteries because I can use my own high quality batteries. And we can see there's LED lights in the tail here, so this can light up, and as well as in the eyes. And it comes with a remote, so we can have it move forward, dance, fight, and roar. And here is to stop. I'm gonna turn on the dinosaur real quick from down here. The on button is right under the tail. How cool is that? Now we can see here, we can make it go forward, and we'll have it dance right now. And we can stop it, and right here we can have it roar. And let's now make it fight. And let's have it just go forward.